Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss some more problem from the dynamics and the chapter is projectile motion. So today we will see the locus of the focus and vortex of the trajectory. So to find the locus, first we know the equation of trajectory. So what the equation of trajectory we have discussed in the last lecture is, the equation of trajectory is I equal to x tan alpha minus 1 by 2 u square gx square divided by cos square alpha. Fine. By simplifying this equation, we have got the value as x minus u square sin alpha cos alpha divided by g whole square, and this equation is equals to minus 2u square cos square alpha into y minus u square sin square alpha divided by 2g. Earlier we have find this value, so you just go for the previous lecture to know how can we got this. So the locus of the focus, therefore the locus of the focus, add. So for this we let x1 and y1 be the coordinates of the focus S. Okay, then the 2 points are what? The x1 is equals to u square sine alpha cos alpha by g, and by multiplying 2 both in numerator and denominator, we are remaining with u square sine 2 alpha divided by 2g. And then we have y1 equals to minus u square sine cos 2 alpha. Why is it cos 2 alpha? Because we have this value here and we are remaining with the cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. By solving this value, we will get u square cos 2 alpha divided by 2g. Okay, so this value we have also discussed in the previous lecture. So here we get the point, the x1 and then y1, which are the focus. So eliminating alpha between these two relation we have. So what we have here is x1 square plus y1 square. So by adding these two values, by squaring both, we have u4 by 4g square, and then we have sin square 2 alpha and then cos square 2 alpha. Fine. And this value becomes u4 divided by 4g square. So let's put this as equation number 1. Fine. Therefore the locus, hence the required locus, so what the required locus here is, this one is x1 square plus y square equal to u to the power 4 divided by 4g square. Okay, u4 divided by 4g square. Fine. So this is the locus of the foci, and obviously a circle whose center is the point of projection O and the radius is u square divided by 2g. Fine. Next is the locus of the vortex. So let hk be the coordinate of the vertex A. Then we have h equals to u square sin alpha cos alpha divided by g. Okay, so put this as equation number 2, and k as u square sin square alpha divided by 2g. Put this as equation number 3. Now again from 3 we have, so from 3 we have is sin square alpha is 2gk divided by u square. Okay, Therefore, now we put this value in this equation, so we get to the h as, therefore h square is what? U4 sin square alpha cos square alpha divided by g square. Now we put the value of sin square alpha from this to here, so we get U4 sin square as 2gk divided by u square, and then we have 1 minus sin square alpha. Fine. So this value becomes U4 2gk divided by u square g square 1 minus 2gk divided by g square. Okay. So g and g is getting cancelled, u square and u square is getting cancelled. So while the cancelling, and by solving this value, we are living with h square equals to 2u square k divided by g, and then we have minus this value 1 minus 2gk divided by u square. Now we are solving this value here. So what we get here is h square equals to 2u square k divided by g. Multiplying this value we get, and by multiplying this value, what we are remaining is 4k square. Right. So this implies h square plus 4k square is equals to 2u square k divided by g. So hence the required focus B, hence the required focus B, h square means x square 4y square, and this is equals to 2u square y divided by g. So this is the required focus at the point x and y. Thank you.